Ayan na.
Tok, tapat. Yan. Okay. We will review my 3 Omnitrix collection. First is the Omnitrix Classic. It is simple to wear. When you click this, it's not happening in lights and sound. It is a display collection only. It is a coin chaser. I buy it from Jollibee. Then when you click this and crank, when you twist, tick, 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 then you push. This is coin chaser. This is the back. Then our next is the Ultimatrix. Then I will look. I will open this. It will light. Then if you twist it to the right, it's then if you twist it into the right again in 2 seconds, it's different sounds. And for the last is 3 seconds. Look this. Gonna light. It twist it to the left. Different sounds. It twist it to the left in 2 seconds. The light is color red, and to the final is 3 seconds.
Ikaw pala yung ano.
Then
I smell your wet pack.
Then I will wear it. Easy to wear too. Diyan kasi yung first ko. Sige. How this is wear and my another section. Yeah. The Omnitrix. This and this. And that for the finale is my Omnitrix B2 Alien Force. I know, press this button, it will light. Different sound. And that's my 3 Omnitrix.
Okay na.
Thank you.